Welcome, students again. Now we are to discussing the exercise 2.1. In previous lecture, we solved the example number 6. Now, in this lecture, we are solving the remaining example number 7. If cos theta, example is if cos theta equal to 12 upon 13, where theta lie between 0 to pi by 2. So find the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta upon 2 sin theta multiply cos theta, and one more value, that is 1 upon tan square theta. 1 upon tan square theta. Now we can solve this example. Okay? Now to solve this example, now say the solution of this example is solution of this example. First of all, we write this cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 12 by 13, but theta is lying between 0 to pi by 2. It means lie in first quadrant. Lie in first quadrant. Now from this cos theta, to calculate the value of sin theta, so we know that sin theta is equal to square root of the 1 minus cos square theta from the first identity. कशावरून? First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we get root of 1 minus 12 by 13 bracket square 1 minus 144 upon 169. Taking the subtraction, we get 169 minus 144, we get 25 upon 169, and taking the square root, we get plus or minus 5 upon 13. So that is the value of sin theta. But there are the two values. One is positive, another one is negative. Now which can we select, positive or negative? So positive or negative value is depends upon this theta, which are lie in first quadrant. But 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, therefore sin theta lie in first quadrant, and if it lie in first quadrant, then sin theta is positive. Therefore sin theta is positive. जर तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आहे तर त्यामध्ये sin थीटा किती असेल, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. Therefore value of the sin theta is plus 5 upon 30. कारण ही व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लागते साइन थिटा. Now sin theta is calculated. One more value is required, that is the tan. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. ठीक है, sin theta is 5 by 13 and cos theta is 12 by 13. So therefore tan theta is equal to 5 upon 12. These two values are cancelled. So first of all we calculate these values. Now we can calculate the given values now. Yeah. First is the sin square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta upon 2 multiplied by sin theta into cos theta equal. Now put the value of sin theta, that is 5 upon 13 bracket square minus cos theta is 12 upon 13 bracket square divided by the 2 multiply sin theta 5 by 13 multiply cos theta is 12 by 13. 12 upon 13. So equal 5 upon 13 square is 25 by 169 minus 144 upon 169 divide by the multiplication 120 upon 169. Now 25 minus 144. How much? 144 minus 25. 5 to 9. 4 minus 3 1. 1. So answer is minus 119 upon 169. Again divide by the 120 upon 169. Now these two values are cancelled and your final answer is minus 119 by 120. So that is the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta upon 2 sin theta multiply cos theta. Now second is 1 upon tan square theta. This way. So 1 upon tan theta is 5 by 12. 5 upon 12. Taking the square 25 upon 144 and their reciprocal 144 upon 25. So that is the value of tan square 1 upon tan square theta. So in this way we solve this example. Okay. Now next example. Example number 8. यामध्ये थोडस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक्स मध्ये बेसिक जे आयडेंटिटीज आहेत त्या मात्र एकदम क्लिअरच आल्या पाहिजेत ना. Now number 8, using table, evaluate the following. evaluate the following. Number first, that is 4 into cot 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree plus sin 30 degree. We can see the table of 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270 and 360 degree. From this table, cot 45 degree is 1, tan and cot 45 degree same. Sec square 60 degree. Sec square 60 degree. So that is 2 square, and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So 4 minus 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 4 cancel, answer is 1 by 2. So in this way we have to complete this. Second one, cos square 0 plus cos square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 2. Again using the same table, cos square 0 degree is the 1, cos square pi by 6 which is 30 degree, and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos square pi by 3 means 60 degree, and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 from the table, and cos square pi by 2 means 90 degree, and cos 90 degree is 0. So 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 0, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 4, answer is 2. Answer of this question is 2. Okay? So that is a simple example. Now in this exercise we solve the last question, and that question is number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. So say this, question number 9. Find the value of, find the other trigonometric ratio. थोडं शॉर्टकट मध्ये देतो, TR म्हणजे trigonometric ratios of the function if number 1 is if cos theta is minus 3 by 5 and 180 degree less than theta less than 270 degree, less than 270 degree. Now we calculate the remaining trigonometric functions. Yes, to calculate the sin theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. We know that from the cos theta we calculate the sin theta using the identity, and sin theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We know about this identity. So square root of the 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 bracket square. So 1 plus 9 by 25. Subtraction is 16 by 25. And the square root is plus or minus 4 upon 5. but we selected the value of positive or negative, and that value is depends upon the this quadrant 180 less than theta less than 270, but 180 degree less than theta less than 270 degree. Therefore, sin theta lie in which quadrant? 180 degree less than theta less than 270 degree means lie in third quadrant. Therefore, in third quadrant sin theta is negative. Therefore, we written as sin theta is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Minus 4 upon 5. Now, from this sin theta and cos theta, we can calculate the remaining trigonometric ratios. By using the basic relation between the sin, cos, tan, cot, like that. Okay? How say this? Trigonometric ratios are: number 1, value of sin theta and cos theta. So we can calculate the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is minus 4 by 5 and cos theta is minus 3 by 5. Minus minus cancel, answer is 4 by 3. Second value, that is cot theta. Cot theta means 1 upon tan theta. So 1 upon 4 by 3. Taking the reciprocal, we get 3 by 4. Then cosec theta. Cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. So 1 upon sin theta is minus 4 by 5. Their reciprocal is minus 5 by 4. And sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos is minus 3 by 5. So we get minus 5 upon 3. These are the remaining trigonometric ratios. तर ह्या पद्धतीने cos थीटा दिला असेल तर त्यावरून sin थीटा कॅल्क्युलेट करा. त्यानंतर जे आन्सर मिळेल ते पॉझिटिव्ह किंवा निगेटिव्ह हे कसं आयडेंटिफाय करायचं तर ह्या दिलेल्या क्वाड्रंट्सवर. आणि sin थीटा या ठिकाणी थर्ड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आहे, तो निगेटिव्ह आहे म्हणून आन्सर काय यायचं निगेटिव्ह. आणि ह्या दोन व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्या की आपलं रिमेनिंग जे रेशो आहेत ते यामध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतात. तर या पद्धतीने क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 मध्ये फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल आहे. अजून एक एक्झाम्पल यामध्ये आपण सॉल्व्ह करू. सेकंड, एक sec of A is minus 25 by 7. Sec A की दिला minus 25 by 7 and A lies in second quadrant. Lies in second quadrant. सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये तर बघ सेक ए इक्वल टू minus 25 अपॉन किती 7. Now sec A equal to minus 25 upon 7. This implies that sec वरून आपल्याला काय मिळू शकतोय cos A equal to 1 upon sec A. हे रिलेशन आपल्याला माहिती आहे. 1 upon sec A is the minus 25 upon 7. Therefore, cos A is equal to 7 minus 7 by 25. Cos असेल तर त्यावरून साइन कॅल्क्युलेट करा सेम या आयडेंटिटी प्रमाणे. So we know that sin A is equal to root 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus 7 by 25 bracket square. 1 minus 49 by 25 square is 625. 625 minus 49. 9 plus 6 15 1 carry. 5 plus 7 12 and 5 6 minus 1 5. So we get 576 upon 625. And if we taking the square root, we get plus or minus 24 by 25. 24 by 25. But given angle lie in second quadrant. कुठे येतो second quadrant मध्ये. But A lie in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, sin theta is positive, so we can take sin A equal to plus 24 by 25. प्लस किती 24 by 25. तर आपल्याकडे किती रेशो झालेत बघा. साइन आहे, कॉस आहे आणि सेक 3. तर रिमेनिंग 3 आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे. ए साइन ए अपॉन कॉस ए 24 upon 25 and cos is the minus 7 by 25. 25 cancel, positive and negative dividation negative. Denominator ला जो निगेटिव्ह साइन आहे तो न्यूमरेटर ला घेता येतो. तर tan मिळत असेल तर cot कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल. cot A equal to 1 upon tan A. 1 upon tan is the 24 by 7. So answer is minus 7 by 24. This is the reciprocal. आणि थर्ड वन किती आहे tan झाला cot झाला तर दोन राहिलाय cosec. Cosec A is the 1 upon sin A. Sin A is the 24 by 25. Their reciprocal is 25 by 24. So that is the remaining trigonometric ratios. तर ह्याप्रमाणे यामध्ये अजून 2 एक्झाम्पल आहेत. हे दोन्ही व्यवस्थितरित्या सॉल्व्ह करा म्हणजे हा एक्सरसाइज जो आहे तो कंप्लीट होईल, तो पूर्ण होईल. आणि यानंतर मग आपण पुढच्या एक्सरसाइज साठी जे फॉर्म्युलेज आणि आयडेंटिटीज आहेत त्या घेऊ आणि त्यानंतर मग सेकंड एक्सरसाइज जो आहे तो आपल्या यामध्ये सुरू करता येईल. ठीक आहे, तोपर्यंत याचा व्यवस्थित स्टडी करा. काही अडचण असेल तर मला निश्चित माझ्या नंबरवरती व्हॉट्सअपवरती पाठवा, मी तुम्हाला त्यावेळेस सॉल्व्ह करून देईन. ओके, बाय.